What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another POHBOYS Garage episode. It's been a minute since I uploaded anything, but today we're going to focus on the old Cressida, good old Coraline. I have a new rim, new brake pads. We're going to drain the old transmission fluid, add some new transmission fluid in, and some spacers. We got some spacers. So a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of upgrades, degrease it because there is a leak. I need to try to figure out where it's coming from. I have an idea, but want to clean it up all, make it all look all nice. But yeah, just enjoy this episode and thank you for watching. Woohoo! All right, it's up in the air, and it's been a very long time since I've been on the Cressida like this underneath the lift. It needs some love, I'll tell you that one. Oh, another thing is, I think I found out why there's some weird clicking issue on my car.
Oh, you're not.
Yeah, it's rubbing.
It's not holding it
it's
back?
Not holding it, I guess, no. That's probably what happened when I crashed. Probably messed up that. I messed up a lot. I didn't really investigate a whole lot, no.
It should just pop right through. Maybe just weld a little nub to hold it in the rubber.
Yeah, try that out. You can see it came out right there. Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff to do since that accident. Sprayed it all down. Check it out. Looking good. I went over it a few times already, all the way around, and then I'm going to clean it all up. All right, well, got a side mission to do right now, and it has to do with the Lancer. Before I get back to working on here soon, the video's coming out soon, but I got shipwreck right here. And record me pretty much burn all these baby widows. There's a bunch of baby widows on the car. What?
We got spiders. Who are you gonna call? Look at them. They're everywhere.
So tiny. They're everywhere. Yeah, it's gross. It goes all the way back. Heck yeah, dude. Spider webs everywhere. And then, yeah, they're all on the grill again. Oh my gosh, yeah, dude. And it goes all the way back. There's a bunch over there. And they're all just hanging out. You know what? This is a good looking car. Might as well make it my home. That's cool. So yeah, I'll show you right now what I'm about to do. I've done it already once. I guess I gotta do it again. Oh man, I give you the heebie-jeebies. Can you see it? Alright, ready?
They're attacking back.
They're on, they're floating down or something.
They probably jumped them. The air pressure. I mean, the fire did get them.
Since it is 4th of July, we're gonna go up on this container, look around the neighborhood, see what everyone's doing with all the fireworks. You got it?
Yeah.
Cool. Yep, going up on the container. Barely see a little silhouette, the little outline of shipwreck.
Oh, it's just too dark.
It's dark, but like you can see in the background for sure. Not sure. I don't even know where these are coming from. What park's out that way? Oh, it's the college, huh?
Yeah.
The college is out that way. They're lighting stuff up. If it's them, who knows? And just like that, next day, July 5th, 108 degrees. So hot, but luckily we have the big old AC unit right there. Plus we I have the doors open, so it's kind of flowing pretty good, not too hot in here. Came out really good. So much better than what it was earlier. You can actually see the transmission. There's some stuff underneath, yeah. Right there, kind of touch up. But a lot better, right? Even got the lines all underneath. Like that was something happened. Yeah, see. And this was from when I had that little accident. dented it pretty good, but luckily it didn't bust it open, so I'm good on that. And bent these guys on both sides, so I'm gonna take them off later on. Look at the damage from just hitting that center divider. That sucked. And check out everything that came off of it. Yeah, that was nasty. It took a while, but it looks a lot better, that's for sure. So now all I gotta do is drain the transmission, add some fluid, and we'll be good on that part, and we'll move forward. Let's see how dirty she is. She's probably super dirty. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see how dirty. Oh man. Oh yeah, she's dark. Definitely need to be replaced, that's for sure. Yeah, check this out. There's some little metal fragments sitting on the plug right now. Well, we have a problem. Yep, that bolt up right there I need to take off is kind of stripped and rounded a little bit. I never touched it. I don't know if the other person couldn't do it as well and they stripped it. Is that why the fluid is all dark and horrible and old? So yeah, I gotta figure that out. And that sucks. I hate that. That's unfortunate. Here we are again with an update. We gotta pull out the old welder. What's going on, Shipwreck?
We're gonna make two pieces one. Look at it, stripped.
Yeah, it's super stripped out.
We didn't strip it first.
No. I tried filing it, whatever I could to save it.
Tried gripping to it, doesn't.
Nothing. Channel locks.
And now we're gonna make one.
Gonna throw some tacks right there, and then hopefully with all that connected as one, should be able to take it off, right? All right, let's do this, and then I get some food in a minute. What was it? Victory food.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's what we did. It should work.
Homemade breaker.
Heck yeah, it should work, man. Broke my welds.
Strip it off.
Round 2 of welding. I did some. Shipwreck's adding some more. Yeah, that's way better, dude. We kicked it on this time.
Yeah. I think putting those in it. I got it a little more red hot.
Yeah.
So I think we'll melt it in a little better.
Yeah, got it in all the way around. It looks like way better for sure. That should work this time, man. I don't know.
What else could hold that? It's just a fucking threaded bolt.
All right, bud. Can you give it a shot?
All right, I think it's almost. Is it turning?
No, I don't know if it's turning or it's cracking it. Yeah, the welds are coming off. That's what's happening. Wiggle it back and forth. Take it off. My welds are not good enough. Another update. We got a socket. We cut it up into like 2 pieces. Now we're welding it to it. Shipwreck re-welded again the socket, so right now we're letting it cool down, and yeah, we just wanted to bring up the morale, man. Like, I want this to cheer us up. I want to be cheered up, man. Let's see what happens. It was chewing it up pretty good. It wasn't like this when I started driving. It got super chewed up.
Just the edge.
Yeah, I was scraping like crazy, man. I don't know if this is wide enough for the spacer. I'll grab it right now. And you guys could finally see the rim. Oh man, yeah, I haven't showed anybody the rim. Only Shipwreck knows the rim.
Yeah. It's got jelly. It's got the gold rush.
All right, you guys ready for the rim? Woo, here we go, baby. We got that gold.
Those gold little bolts.
Yeah, this is the close I got to making it all match. The gold is I could change it to the chrome, whatever, but Everything else
And now it's
pretty
too
much
good.
matches. Yeah.
You can't
now
go
it's
back
like,
from cold.
no, this is nice, dude. This is way better than what I had.
Than the old ones. Oh no, Sammy's scared. Why, Sam? There's scary booms out there, huh? These look dull.
Yeah.
These do need a good shine, though.
Yeah, those will be cleaned up. So this is nice, dude. So these are 15 by 8. Yeah, 15 by 8s. So I got 185, 60 R15s. Small little stretch. And then to go with this, but I got more. Got some other spacers that I'm hoping these are gonna fit, dude. Here we go with another update. I got the AC going on today. Again, man, it's 110 today. And today's movie is Here Comes the Boom, a guy from Mall Cop. It's okay, I don't know. So, yeah, here's the update. I got the rim on, yeah! Woo! It's cool. Looks so nice, besides the messed up, obviously, the fender, which anyone has a fender, send it my way, please. I've really been looking for one like crazy. But, yeah. Spacers are on, the rim is on, but we're still having issues with the damn filler plug. Yeah, it's super stripped, super on there. I don't understand. We welded it 3 times. Our welds aren't sticking, I guess, properly. And this is our mess. This is the mess right now. Look at that, disgusting, horrible. Yeah, the plan was last night. Grab the socket, I cut it on each side, then we try to weld it in and try to break that dang plug loose. And I don't know, for some reason, whoever had this car before me, like I said before, I don't know why they put that in so hard, man. The main thing I'm super stoked out about is that rim and the spacers. And oh yeah, I also did the brakes. The brakes are done as well. And I'm just glad I have this look again, man. Like back when I first bought it. And we had to alter some stuff for the spacers because for some reason, the lug nuts that came with the spacers wasn't fitting the thread of obviously the Cressida. So we had to go find a bunch of stuff around the shop, and then had another issue with the actual lug nuts to go onto the spacers. And man, so right now I have five lug nuts from the 240. So I took 240 ones off. I gotta put the 240 on some jack stands because I'm missing a bunch now for over there. And yeah, pretty much where we're at right now. And that's a big update. Next, I'm gonna lower it down. I'm going to try to add the fluid through the top for the transmission. I read about it, it says you can. I kind of figured you probably can, almost like the 240. Oh, dog came in. There's a dog right there. So yeah, I'm gonna try that right now, put the car down, and see if I can do that. So yeah. Woo! Okay, inside the car. Started taking everything out. Got 4 bolts, they're size 10. I'm gonna take this out, and then hopefully I can fill it up inside right there once I take the cap off. Alright, got it out. Check out my shift knob. Pretty cool, huh? Like an old school dresser tapped in. Pretty neat, I love it. Since we have the shifter out, got it exposed. And we're good to go. Get the little using the Valvoline. We use 2.5 quarts, and we should be good after this, man. There's no reason why that drain plug took so long. It's ridiculous. It's still not even off, so I really hope we didn't cause any problems by doing what we did underneath the car. But yeah, let's get 2.5 quarts in and put everything back to normal. Woohoo! All right, well that'll do it, everybody. She's looking good. Check her out. Looking a lot better with that new rim. Yeah, the fender's all messed up, but whatever. A lot better than the stock rim, for sure. There she is, right there, baby. We're back in action, looking good again. Spacers made it look decent. Yeah. There we go. Nice little shot. Looks good. Sounds good still, like always. Thank you for tuning in. It's a lot better than what it was, for sure. Enjoy the episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and say woohoo. Comment woohoo. Who knows? Might get a sticker or a pin or something. But yeah, thank you. You have an awesome day, and we'll catch you on the next episode of POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo!
Out on the street and out of my mind. Good guy knows well when we blow. No importa el macho que entre, gana el salto. No importa el macho que entre.
Oh boy. Dang.
I think it's like no one's guarding anything.
It's like, oh, help yourself.
I don't even have mask on. There's no one here.
The tiki bar now.
Oh, wrong one. Emergency power.
Oh, boom. Turn it off.
Guess we're taking the stairs.
Oh, shoot.
3, 2, 1.
You know where we're going?
Oh, you have the keys.
Oh, yeah, it's in my back pocket. My bad.
1493 and 96. I gotta get that ring, but I can't get in. Ooh,
Oh, stay in your spot. Get away. Stay in your spot, everybody. You got your spot?
This
You
is
got
my
your spot?
no-no square. Oh!
Oh! I dropped it. Oh my god.
It was about to
I
get
got it.
hard.
Woo.
I gotta use the key card.
Oh, here.
I guess.
Oh, we're on.
Barely saved the camera. Oh, look at. Okay, no, it went in.
Yeah, little pump.
Yeah.
Yeah, I use the key card. Whoa, we're fancy.
Oh, we're
Use
going
the
up
key
more?
card, go in.
Oh.
Really?
You can't go
Where'd
to
it
these
go?
floors unless you have the key card.
It's special?
Yeah.
Where'd you have to activate it at?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you just touched it? Oh!
Yeah, then for sure you need more.
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
Why are we going to everyone to do someone press something?
No, not me, man.
Because they're waiting to
You gotta keep going.
Oh, we're going up.
Yeah.
We're going up. I don't know the rest. That's the only thing I know.
We're doing it, everybody. I know. Everyone stay in your spot. Stay in your spot. Stay in it. I can't keep dying.
We'll go to the 2-bedroom first for the tour.
Go check it
Just to
out.
look real quick, and then we'll show the ball.
Alright, 14. Hey. Which way we gotta go? Where we at? Right here?
Yeah, it's over here. 1496 is the last one. So it must be the biggest one in this whole one. So we'll get 93 first. Look at how big the roof
Man,
is.
these are crazy. The doors are so huge.
Look at there's another.
Yeah, crazy.
And that's how tall the ceilings are.
Yeah, that's freaking.
Look at.
Look at
I can't wait to
See how
do.
tall the door is. Like. Let's see.
Yeah.
See it? Sorry, dude.
Sorry, guys. I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
everybody. Sorry.
It's our first time in a hotel room.
I've never been in a hotel. I've never been in a hotel room before.
Where's the
Is
one?
it? Are we there? Okay, hold on. Let me stop this.